I hope you all are doing good. So in the previous class we completed 5 chapters, isn't it? 5th chapter. So far we have completed 5 chapters, isn't it? And now today we are going to start your 6th chapter, and the topic of your 6th chapter is internet. Okay, so if you have your textbook ready with you, take your textbook. If you don't have, quickly take your textbook and turn to page number 71. Okay, dear children, shall we move on with the lesson? So in page number 71, your 6th chapter starts and the topic is internet. So you all know what is internet, right? Because now uh, this is a generation where all the children are aware of internet, computer, phone, mobile phones, network, isn't it? So I hope you all know what is internet, but there are some of the features that you even don't know about internet, because some childrens like you always work in internet, play games in that, but finally you don't know what is do's and don'ts in internet and caught up with some kind of bad activities. Okay, so in this chapter we'll learn about internet, what are the do's and what are the don'ts. Okay, so now first of all, what is internet? Okay, so it is interconnection of network. Okay, so now take your pencil and underline this. A network refers to a group of computers connected together. Internet stands for interconnected network. Internet is a short form of interconnected network. Okay, so now take your pencil and underline this. So network means group of computers connected together. So that is network. So internet means interconnected network. So uh, so this is the age where you could able to see lots of networks available everywhere, right? Even in our schools we used to have lots of computers connected together. So that is also a network. Okay, so internet means combining those network, okay, connecting those network to a remote source. Okay, so that is internet. First of all, you should know what is the advantage and disadvantage of internet. Okay, so advantage of internet is we can collect lots of information. Okay, even if we have any doubts in our lessons, we could able to search using this internet. Then we can send message to our friends, chat with them, we can send email, and we can send text, images, and pictures, sounds, videos, everything we could send, share through internet, isn't it? And we can also transfer our money. Okay, we can pay bills using internet, we can read books, we can book movie tickets, we can book train tickets. Okay, so whatever we want we could do using internet, isn't it? So we use for playing games as well, isn't it? And disadvantage is that there are many virus attacks in internet. Okay, so you will learn about virus in your higher classes. Okay, so that is also a software program that is created intentionally to destroy your computer. Okay, so these viruses are very harmful to your computer and files that you save in your computer. So this uh, this threat is there when you use internet. Okay, then you can also find lot of wrong informations. Okay, then when you play games with unknown person, that will become a threat to you sometimes. Okay, so that is not a safest way. And if you buy if you are using to buy foods, and also we shop using internet, but sometimes when you use our credit card number, bank cards, bank number, account number, so all these will be stolen by unknown person. We call them hackers. Okay, so they may get your personal information, they may take your money from your bank account. Okay, so this is also possible. So these are disadvantages. Okay, so when you use internet, you sometimes neglect to study as well, isn't it? So you forget to study. So you forget to study, so and you also forget to play as well. Okay, so that is also a disadvantage of internet. Okay, so let's see what are the features of internet. First thing is World Wide Web. Okay, so World Wide Web means, so take your pencil and underline this. World Wide Web is a system of interlinked pages, okay, that contains a variety of information that can be accessed through internet by people all over the world. So only this is the main reason, uh, see, this is the main reason why you use internet, isn't it? Especially for searching information. So all over the world people can access internet and search for any kind of information. Even the same information that you search will be searched by some other person in some other part of the world, isn't it? So this is possible using this World Wide Web. So it is a system of interlinked pages, okay, so it contains variety of information. Okay, so that is called World Wide Web. So it is nothing but interlinked pages. Okay, so it is a part of internet. So for accessing this World Wide Web, for accessing the information in internet, you need web browsers. Okay, so web browsers are programs created in computer. So that they are programs that are used to locate and display these web pages. Okay, so it is like a machine. Okay, this, if when you use this machine, it will move and search your information, the desired information that you want, and it will pick that information and it will show to you. Okay, so that is called web browsers. So web browsers are programs in computer. Okay, these are specially created to locate web pages. Okay, so Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Opera are some of the examples of web browsers. Okay, and what is a web page then? Okay, the web page is the actual page, individual page that you search for in websites. Okay, when you click something in using this browsers, when you search for something, the first the pages that is displayed, okay, after searching is are called web pages. Okay, each individual page, okay, in World Wide Web is called web page. Take your pencil and underline this. Okay, there. Now let's see what is a website. Okay, so website is, so we saw that individual page is web page, group of interlinked pages. Okay, so interlinked related pages that are grouped together using a link is called website. Okay, so these are linked with help of hyperlinks. The link between these pages are called hyperlinks. Okay, so you can call it hyperlink. The link between web pages are called hyperlink. So underline this also. Then what is a web address then? So web address is when you search for a particular content in website, you will search with the keyword, isn't it? If you want to search about globe, you will type globe. But when you give enter for searching it, your website will not search only globe. It will be searched with the help of this keyword. Okay, so this is called address. Okay, so if you want, for example, when you post a letter, you need to type address, you need to write address on top of the letter. Only then it will be posted to to the correct person, isn't it? Similar to that, using this address alone, the correct information will be searched. Okay, but this sometimes we will type, but sometimes we don't type. Even though we type this or not, your computer will search using this address alone. So HTTP and www, HTTPS, okay, these are address names. So HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, www means World Wide Web. So all these addresses, about this you will learn in your higher class. But now, as for now, you need to know these are the address. These are called web address. Now you underline this. Web address is the address or location of a website on the internet. Okay, so it is the address or location of a website. Okay. So now what is a home page? So after searching for a particular information, the first page displayed in your screen pencil and underline this, dear children. The home page is the opening page or the main page of a website. Okay. So finally, you need to know what is search engine. Search engine also is similar to a web page. So the first page, when you click on a particular web browser, the first page displayed. Okay. So we'll ask you for search engines. Okay. So there are many search engines like Google, Yahoo, and there are many other, but these are well-known search engines. You know what is a search engine? It is also similar to a web page, but this is particularly created. These search engines are particularly created to search for any information. For example, when you open your computer textbook, you want to turn to page chapter 6, you will go to the contents and search for chapter 6. Then you will open that page number, isn't it? So for searching the contents, for searching the contents, this search engines are used. Okay, so when you type a particular, you will type only chapter 6, but who will search that chapter 6? Okay, so for search when you type chapter 6, there should be something to search all the chapter 6 available in the website, isn't it? So all the chapter 6 will be selected and it will be displayed. For doing this work, these search engines are used. Okay, so it is also similar to a normal web page. Okay, but this is intentionally created to find whatever you have typed. Okay, so this will search inside the World Wide Web. Okay, so the examples of search engines are Google and Yahoo. Okay, so these two are the commonly used search engines. You have a let's practice session also, dear children. So now there is a girl called Priyaski wants to search for information on Akbar, the great Mughal emperor, on the internet. So how to search that? Solution is given here. You need to follow the steps to find this. Okay, and as I've already told you in the beginning of the chapter, there are do's and don'ts. Okay, so first of all, when you search for something in the internet, you should type the spelling correctly. Okay, you should not chat or you should not play games with unknown person in internet. Okay, so that are don'ts. Then always you should communicate with your parents. Okay, so about internet and what to search, and whatever you do in internet you should share with your parents. Okay, so without the permission of your parents you should not chat with anybody, you should not play with anybody. Okay, these are do's and don'ts in internet. Okay, and you should not believe any person, you should not give address or phone numbers without the knowledge of your parents to anybody in the internet. Okay, so you should follow all these to safeguard yourself from unknown person in internet. Okay, dear children, with this your chapter 6 is over. Today I'll post today's practice work in WhatsApp group. Check out that and complete it today. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this lesson, you could text me to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, dear children, that is all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.